want of factor. So from this factor, we can able to calculate the exact molecular mass. So if the molecule undergo dissociation or the association. So this happens in 1886. The want of introduced a factor called here as want of factor, and it is generally represented as small I. Okay, to account for the extent of dissociation or association is occurring for particular molecule or particular solvent. Okay, now the factor I can be defined here as, you can say that I is equal to, so this is a ratio of normal molecular mass. Normal means it is a theoretical normal molecular mass, molecular mass. Okay, and that should be divided by the observed observed means whatever the experimental values, that we have to take, that's molecular mass. Okay, so we can relate this with some other definitions, like I is also defined as observed colligative property, that is molecular mass we can calculate, right? The molecular mass mb of the solute is inversely proportional to the colligative property. Okay, cp, it is inversely proportional to colligative property, therefore these two terms get interchanged, therefore we'll write here observed observed observed, you can say that colligative property, cp, observed colligative property, and whole divided by the normal colligative property, normal colligative property, that get reversed. You can say that why it is reversed, because molecular mass is inversely proportional to the colligative property. Even you know that the colligative property is dependent, the colligative property is dependent upon the number of the particles, number of particles, right? Number of particles, we can change this equation as I can also define here as total number of particles, total total number of particles particles. Okay, so here what we are saying, that observed means it is experimental value is there. Okay, therefore is the total number of particles after after dissociation, or association association. Okay, and that entire term is divided by the number of particles, the same thing, the total number of particles, total number of particles, number of particles before we have to take before the dissociation or association occur, before dissociation or association. Okay, this is the three way of defining the we can say that we can define the want of factor. There are three different ways are there. One is on the molecular mass, colligative property, and the number of particles which are dissociated or associated after before the experiment. Okay, so this value, how it is helpful, the value of I is greater than unity for dissociation, because number of molecules get more there. For dissociation, the I is greater than 1, because the more number of ions are there, because more particles are there, more particles. Okay, and if there is association is occurring, then I value is less than 1. There is less particles are present, because dimerization is taking place, less particles. Okay, so one thing that we can use this colligative property for finding the exact colligative property. Okay, so therefore let me change some of the formulas, like the first one, that is relative lowering of vapor pressure, relative lowering of vapor pressure. So the formula is a P naught A minus P divided by P naught A. This is a formula. Okay, and we know that this is equals to the mole fraction of the solute B, but this time you have to multiply this with the want of factor I. Now it compensate and rectify the association dissociation into the normal molecules. Now let's go with the second one, that is that's elevation of boiling point, elevation of boiling point. The formula we can write here, that is delta TB equals to, so here we're going to write the that's want of factor, that is I kb into that's a molality. Now next we have the third one is depression of freezing point, depression depression of freezing point. So that can be given as delta TF equals to, here we will multiply the I value want of factor with the KF into M. M is molality of the solution. The same thing we can go with the last, that is for osmotic pressure. Osmotic osmotic pressure. So the formula we have derived in the previous class, you can go and check in the previous videos. The delta, okay, it's not delta. Here we'll type pi, the osmotic pressure is pi. Here we'll multiply the want of factor with the CRT. Okay, CRT, C concentration, R ideal gas constant, and absolute temperature T. Okay, this is all about the, you can say that the want of factor is very helpful for predicting the exact colligative properties by knowing these formulas. Okay, so this is all about the uh, want of factor. Thank you for watching this.